What's up, everybody? It's your boy AronRSX. I'm here with Jackie, Lexus guy. That's kind of funny. But in today's video, as you can probably tell from the title of the video, we're going to be installing the NRG quick release. Ooh, looking good, looking good. Shout out to Danny for actually selling me the quick release. I got it for a pretty good price. So shout out to Danny. He is no longer our RSX brother. So yeah. Fallen brother, RIP, bro. RIP to Danny, bro. Hey, but he's gonna go a lot bigger and better onto better things. So yeah, it was a lot of problems with the RSX, but you know what I'm saying, like it is what it is. So
it is what it is.
Let's get into it. It should be a straightforward install.
15 minutes. 15 minutes, like always.
15-minute install. Hopefully we don't run into any problems. So
yes, sir.
Yeah. Let's get into it. First, you want to start off with taking off the battery because you do not want the airbag to blow up on you. So let's get into that. So as you can probably tell, you need a 10 to take off the negative battery. So let's take that off.
All right, so this is what you do.
What you do is you go. Oh! You just wanna. Come on, man.
Come on, man.
You cannot call yourself a true car guy without taking off your battery by yourself.
I've never done it before. I don't have a jumper in my car. What's next?
Next, taking off the steering wheel now that you have everything off.
Well, shouldn't we wait for like 10-20 minutes?
For what?
So the airbag completely dies? No. Are you sure? No. Everybody says you wait 20 minutes. Come on, man.
Alright, so update. We did take off the steering wheel assembly, basically everything else. Hey, 500 OBO, man. Come on, man. All we need to do is put on the hub and then the quick release, and that should be it. Only took like about 10 minutes to put on or take off, and yeah, let's get right into installing it. I'll see you guys when we're actually done with it. So, ooh, what you think though, Jackie?
It's good.
Let's go.
It's good.
And it makes a noise. Watch, hold this. It makes a noise too, bro. Watch this. Ready? Here he goes. Oh, you can hear it. Hold on. A bit closer. Motherfucker!
He's not doing it no more.
Wow.
Oh! Let's get it.
Let's go. Alright, so what we did was, since Danny already had this part on, you just gotta take it off with the Allen key.
Yes.
And then, there's a middle bolt that you had to take off from the stock one. So take off that one and then put it on this one. It should be right behind this, and then actually put on the Allen keys on, and then that should be it. Oh. Woo! Come on, man. It was pretty straightforward. I thought we had to do something else different or something else like with this, but actually it was just this quick release, and yeah, everything we gotta put back on, and that's it, bro.
Hey, put it back on. Hey, the horn actually works. Beep beep.
Alright, bro, let's put everything back on. And,
yep, gotta put the covers on.
Yep, let's do it. Alright, y'all, so Billy's here. He showed up, and he basically just showed up when we actually finished it already. So here's the finished product. It's looking pretty good. Ooh, come on, man. Hey, what you think?
It's good.
How was the install out of like 10 difficulty?
1. It
was 1, bro. It was so fucking easy.
The only difficult part was
taking out the old steering wheel. So yeah. Hey, I told you guys, bro. $50 OBO. Hit my line.
100.
Oh, I mean 200 OBO. Come on, man.
I know what I got, man.
I know what I got, bro. That's OEM leather, bro. Come on, man. As Jackie said, this is like probably a 1 out of 10 difficulty in installing, and
straightforward.
Yeah, straightforward. I'm happy with it, and you guys should do it too if you guys are planning to go with a different route. Yeah, next up is the double din. Once that's on, my interior is gonna be complete. So yeah.
It's good.
See, what about this though?
Hey, what the? Hey, wait, hey, what the? Hey, what the? Hey, what the? Hey, wait for me! Wait for me! Hey, wait for me, man!
That's how fast you eat 30 was.
It's kind of funny. I'd say it was worth the money that Danny sold me it for, and yeah, shout out to Danny again.
Yeah, man. Shout out to Danny, man.
Shout out Danny guy. Hey, what you think?
Danny?
Hey, what you think about his new car though?
I don't know, man. Your car kind of ugly compared to mine.
What's soon on the Lexus lip kit?
Yeah, I'm waiting for them to come back in stock.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, man.
When they say?
They say
Stock
they're
it.
gonna call me, but I don't know.
What?
Still waiting.
He already has a lip, dude. Look.
Wait, what?
Oh yeah, bro.
Sure.
Oh yeah. Hey, clean my wheel though.
Oh no!
Them late night missions.
This guy funny. Alright, y'all. Let's do a quick cinematic of the new steering wheel and the new NRG hub. Let's do this.
I had to jump in for the streets, double dutching. Hey, why you frontin'? You deserve a piece of nothing. Bitch, we buzzing. Guarantee I beat the buzzer. Oh, now we kicking doors down this bitch. Checking goals out the list. Tell them hoes I don't miss. We done rolls out them pits. Throwing balls up in this bitch. Yeah, we gon' keep it lit just as long we exist. Should've known, no. They like, whoa, what is this?
Alright, y'all. So to celebrate, we're gonna be headed to where we going?
Jollibee.
Yes, sir. Jollibee, boys. Let's go. This feels so weird. Oh my god, I gotta get used to this. I'm so glad I live like really down the street from this Jollibee. Ooh, oh, come on, man. Stop playing with me, bruh. Stop playing with me. I gotta get used to driving like this, bro. Like, to be honest, whew, especially because of the deep dish wheel, I gotta get used to that. And the turn signal is gonna be really hard to get to. And yeah, so, whew, so glad this is on. Yeah, let's go. Hey, man. Woo, come on, man. Stop playing with me. Alright, y'all, so I'll show you guys my go-to special. Every time I go to Jollibee, you know what I'm saying? You always gotta get the peach mango pie, you know what I'm saying? Peach mango pie. Oh, this is a must. The pineapple juice. Ooh, baby. And then I usually get just the spaghetti, but I'm feeling special today since you know, with the chicken. Come on, man. Hey, what'd y'all get?
Show ya, bro.
Ooh, okay.
They're spicy, baby. And you know, like how you said, man, you always gotta get.
You
this,
always
man.
gotta get that, bro.
This
Every
is
time, bro.
Mando.
Hey, what you got?
I got the same thing as you though.
Oh, okay. Did you get peach mango pie?
I don't know. Did I?
Did you? Oh, you did. Oh, what?
What? No.
No, I don't think so. Come on, man.
Ask them?
Yeah, peach mango pie. Come on, you knew, man. Come on.
But how much is yours though?
$10.
How come mine was $10? I didn't even get the meat peach mango pie. What the heck, man?
Oh, cause you got the spicy chicken. Wait, no.
Yeah, I got the spicy one.
Oh, cause you got 2 pieces. I got 1 piece.
Oh, you got one.
Man, fat ass. Come on.
Man,
Come on. Smack it, no. Smack it.
Wait, you don't eat that shit?
Fall off the bone.
Ooh. That shit buzzing. That shit buzzing.
Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys did enjoy, please hit that like button, comment down below what y'all think of my new quick release. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. This is AronRSX, Chicken Little Guy, Jackie Guy, Lexus Guy, signing out. Peace.